free cup. So it says English. It's English. I don't know what that means, but it says English. Okay, so let's open the box and see what it looks like. The box is heavy. Okay, this is Swiss watches since 1850. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So it's PRC. So this is the new my new Tissot PRC 200 automatic. It's not a chronograph one, but this one looks good also. And actually the chronograph one is very heavy, that's why I picked this one. Still cost me around a few $100 for this one, but it's worth it. See, it's automatic and it's working, huh? See, actually I already worn it, but just for this video, just to show you all what's a genuine Tissot looks like. Okay, so that's it, ready. So I bought this from a jewelry shop here in Doha, Qatar. Yep, not online, huh? It's not online. I did not buy this watch online, in a jewelry shop. I bought this. I will show you later the authentication and the warranty card that the jewelry shop gave me. Okay, so that's PRC. See? Oops, that's it. PRC 200 automatic. As you can see the second hand, that's automatic, my friends. And this is the back case, so it's clear type, as you can see. Yep. Oops. That's it. Oops. Against the light. Oops, sorry. There it is. Okay. Says. Okay. That's it. What's the box have? Timekeeper. So all their models here. Okay. New models here. Oh yeah, and let me get the card for you all to see. This is a genuine Tissot watch. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, let me get my wallet. Here it is, my friends. This is the warranty card. As you say here, international warranty, guarantee international. Okay, that's it. And of course, the back of the card. As you can see, I bought this watch on November 11, 2011. What a date, huh? And so that's the reference number, the watch center, that I bought from the showroom, and I think the owner of the shop is sign, stamp, and signature. See, relevant. Okay, the reference number of my watch is all there. See. Okay, retail, set to purchase, all of the setting, and it is up. Original PRC 200 automatic watch. So it's a good watch, and try it. You might like it. Okay, so folks, and of course, okay, I'll have to show you this one. I'll show it again. See, so it says in English. It's not China, the China one that I watch in YouTube. Okay, that's English. Okay, so that's even the packaging are original. Okay. Okay, and of course, yeah, totally forgot. Here are the manuals for this watch. Here, the new Tissot Swiss. I think this is a 2011 catalog. There. That's their new watches for 2011. Actually, it's coming in 2012. Yep, that's my watch. There's my watch. And they have here a booklet saying for their the Tissot company, the story of the Tissot company. Okay, let me remove it first. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the story of a watch company, Tissot. The story of a watch company. Okay, so this is all their history. I think so it's 1853, so I think just a few more years already centennial now. I think so. Okay, that's their story. So there it is, guys. All the watch, all of it. Authentication again for you guys to know that this is a original Tissot watch, PRC 200 automatic. Okay, as you can see again, there's the stamp of the jewelry shop here in Doha, Qatar. Okay, that's the reference number, which you can check actually if you want online. It is to know that this is an authenticated and genuine Tissot watch. Okay, so try it, guys. Don't buy online. I prefer you not to buy online. Just buy in a shop. So don't think about saving $100 maybe, just or $200. At least you know that your watch is genuine. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you.